welcome back to the another video. Part A, satisfaction characteristic of feedback data. Question number 1, measures of dispersion. Task: give 3 more commonly used statistical measure for characterization dispersion in the student feedback data. Example: variation in teaching qualities, score, lab, faculty rating, peer collaboration, effectiveness. Discuss how this measure can be computed efficiently in large student database. Measure computation method in a large database. Variation can be computed using the online algorithm or similar online algorithm, which is update the mean and variation. It increases with each new data point, avoiding the need to store all the data or make to pass over the data. Standard deviation: the square root of the variance compute efficiently using the method above. Mean absolute deviation compute efficiently in a single pass over the data is equal to S2. Question number 2, student feedback data analysis. Data set equal to 10. Here is the data set. What is the mean rating calculation? Sum of all the ratings 688 divided by count 34. X equal to sum into I, 688 into 34. That is the answer. What is the mode of the data? 20.24. Definition: the what is the mode of data? Definition: the value that appear mostly frequently. Mode: 25 and 35 both appear 4 times. This is the B mode distribution. What is the mid range of the data? Definition: text maximum value plus minimum value upon the 2. Mid range is here to here. That is the answer. And here is the static and value table. Give the 5 numbers summarize of the rating. 70 plus 11 upon 2 equal to 81 upon 2, that is 40.5. Lower fences and upper fences. Here is the answer, that is in the times. Outlier: the value 70 is an outlier as it is the above. The upper fences in a common box plot style, and at 52 the largest non-outlier and 70 would be marked with a star or circle. Here is the box plot diagram, you can watch. And question number 3, approximate medium satisfaction score. Task: find the approximate medium satisfaction score for the student. Score range here, written it down. Frequency, lower boundaries, and medium position, and upon 2, that is 3194 upon 2, that is equal to 1597. Observation: medium class, the class containing the 1597 observation is 21-50 since goes from 951 to 2450. Formula of the median of the group data: medium equal to n plus n upon 2 minus cp upon fm into w. Here is the calculation and answer. You can watch. Question number 4, age and productive analysis. Data table n equal to 12. Here age is written here, and the next line percentage is written here. Calculate the mean, medium, and standard deviation of age x and percent productivity y. Standard deviation of the age: sum I minus x, approximate value is written here. X equal to approximate value is written here. Standard deviation of the percentage productivity y: sum yi minus r upon 2, and approximate value is written here. Y equal to approximate value is written here. Not table: statistic age percent probability y: sum x comma sum y, 772 483.6 is percentage. Mean xy and 45.41, 483 is a percentage. Medium middle value, the ninth short value, 483 is a percentage. Static is age and percentage y. This is the table and the diagram. You can see here positive correlation, negative correlation, here no correlation. Now this is all for today. Thank you for watching.